Imagine waking up tomorrow. Your website is gone, your data is leaked, and hackers are demanding $10,000 in Bitcoin. Sounds like a movie, right? But this happens to thousands of websites every single day. And the scary part? Most hacks start with simple tools anyone can download. Today, I'll show you 5 real tools hackers use. And the last one is so powerful it can take down entire companies. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we break down cybersecurity myths. We focus on online safety so you can stay protected in the digital world, exposing the real tools. But don't worry, this video is for education and awareness only. Protecting the internet is the goal. Most people think hackers sit in dark rooms writing crazy code, but the truth is much simpler. Many attacks use ready-made tools. Some are so easy that even beginners can launch attacks in minutes. Let's start with one of the most famous hacker tools ever created, SQL Map, powerful database hacking. SQL Map is one of the most powerful tools for database hacking. It targets SQL injection vulnerabilities. If a website has weak security, SQL Map can automatically extract usernames and dump passwords. It can access private databases that should be locked. Hackers simply run a command like this. And the tool does everything automatically. That means one small vulnerability could expose thousands. One small mistake could expose thousands of user records instantly. Think about that for a second. And yes, this has happened to major companies before. Major brands have lost everything to this. But database attacks are only the beginning. The next tool is even more fundamental. Let's look at it. Before hackers attack a website, they need to scan it. That's where Nmap comes in, Internet Radar. Nmap is like a radar for the internet. It scans a server and reveals open ports and running services. It reveals server vulnerabilities that the owner might not even know about, scanning everything. Think of it like checking which doors and windows are unlocked before breaking into a house. Safe? No. Hackers check for those unlocked windows to find the easiest way inside. It's the first step. Hackers use this information to plan the perfect attack. Precise and targeted. Planning is key. They build a complete map of the target, knowing every corner of the digital infrastructure. But what if they want to crack passwords directly? Then they call in the heavy hitters. Ready? Hydra is a password cracking monster. It performs something called a brute force attack, exhaustive. That means trying thousands or even millions of passwords automatically, fast and relentless. Hydra tests combinations like password 123, admin 123, or QWERTY until it finds the right one. Found. It never gets tired. It just keeps trying until it breaks in. This is the power of brute force. And surprisingly, many websites still allow this. They don't limit login attempts. Dangerous. But things get even more dangerous with the next tool. We're talking about direct manipulation. Burp Suite is used by professionals to test security, but hackers use it to manipulate web requests. For example, changing a payment value from $100 to $1, manipulating the price you pay. Scary. Or accessing admin pages that should be restricted. They bypass security like it's nothing. Inside, it works like a man in the middle, intercepting traffic between your browser and the website. Middleman, which means hackers can modify requests before the server sees them. The server never knows. Modified. And this leads us to the most dangerous tool of all, the Swiss Army knife of hacking. Ready? Now. Metasploit, the Swiss Army knife. It contains hundreds of ready-made exploits for everything. Metasploit. If a server has a known vulnerability, Metasploit can take control in seconds. Speed is everything. Control. Hackers can execute commands, install malware, and gain full system access. Total dominance. Access. They can install backdoors to stay inside forever. It's a nightmare for any company. Permanent access. It's so powerful that even cybersecurity professionals use it for penetration testing. Double-edged sword. Profession. But in the wrong hands, it can completely compromise a system. Total loss of control. Compromised. So how do websites defend against these attacks? It starts with the right defense. Don't worry. Safe. They use web application firewalls, security patches, and strong authentication. Layers of safety, firewalls. Security patches close the holes before hackers find them. Keeping software up to date is key. Patched. Strong authentication makes it much harder to break in. Use 2FA wherever you can. Protect yourself. 2FA. Many companies run bug bounty programs where ethical hackers find vulnerabilities for pay. Helpful. Ethical. Ethical hackers are the good guys. They find the bugs before the bad guys do, protecting us. Good guys. Because finding a bug early is much cheaper than dealing with a breach. Stay safe out there. Detect early. The truth is, what hacking tools themselves aren't illegal. It's how they're used that matters. Use them well. And the same tools hackers use, cybersecurity experts use to protect the internet. Be an expert. Tips. If you want more videos about real hacking techniques, comment security below. Join the community, comment now. Because the internet is getting more dangerous, and the more you understand it, the safer you'll be. Bye. Safe Internet.